So on the 30th of May I was at Dunlop because I wanted to see two Avanti West Coast services that were passing there. However, as per usual, things usually never go to plan whenever I come here, as you'll see. However, my first catch was 1801, the 1251 ScotRail service to Glasgow Central from Kilmarnock with 156510 and 156502. And then creeping up just after she came in was 1Z55, the early 1256 turned up at 1250, Avanti West Coast service to Carlisle from Glasgow Central with 221114. So after that absolute catastrophe, I decided to give it one last bash and see the later one. And this one was under 1Z61, the 1742 Avanti West Coast service to Glasgow Central from Carlisle with 221114. And then on the 31st of May, whilst mum and dad were out golfing, I decided I'd go and see a train. And she was under 6K12, the early 1200 turned up at 1118 GBRF service to Carlisle NY from Beatock Summit with 66712. Then later on that day I decided to go to Johnson to see 6K16. And my first catch was 2T37, the 1354 ScotRail service to Largs from Glasgow Central with 380019. And then my last catch of the weekend was 6K16, the early 1425 turned up at 1359 GBRF service to Carlisle NY from Beatock Summit with 66786 sounding absolutely fantastic.